Okay, so today was a very boring day. The entire the range of the entire day was confined to not not even one quarter, and that's usually not the case. That's kind of rare. So if we bring it down to the daily is probably the best way to measure this. We have a daily, essentially a daily, almost like a doji candle that's forming, that is in between the 500 and the 250. Nothing got picked up. I didn't get, well, not that I would have put a stop, moved my stop to break even, but it didn't even do that. It's just been a very boring day. So there's really nothing to talk about. This happens. However, if there's another day like this, it does show that if I look at it from a, let's say, maybe a 4 hour perspective, we did get this huge bearish engulfing. It hit a zone. It's retracing, but it couldn't hit this zone. If it did, I might even want to re-engage for another quarter. This is an area that actually got me. um, this blue arrow actually indicates that I took a take profit, and if it got back to 575 again, I might take a shot at it again. Um, but anything other than that, it's like like there's really not much to see here. The only thing I was going to say is you do see a little bit of a wedge forming. I mean, I could, set this is to a 2 hour chart, which I almost never use, but it's just kind of the easiest to see. You see a wedge, lower highs, but higher lows kind of forming. Usually what that means is consolidation. And it's like coiling up a spring and getting ready uh, to explode, to spring out either one direction or another. Probably in anticipation for, I think there's a news event coming tomorrow. Recession talk ways. No, not this. But there is well, let me just check it real quick since there's nothing else to talk about. Might as well take a look. Tomorrow, we have natural gas numbers. That's every Thursday. I thought the first Thursday of the month was something. I don't know. I've been so out of the loop with these things. I'm getting mixed up on my recurring news events. Yeah, job numbers come out on the first Thursday of the month. Yeah, usually the first Thursday of the month after the month ends. Okay. So then tomorrow at 7:30 we can expect 7:30 a.m. Eastern. We can expect something to happen. I can set my alert on this. This isn't showing on screen. I know that, but it's just that tomorrow, all of this consolidation between yesterday and today could point to consolidation, preparing for something significant coming tomorrow, or not, or it could just be nothing. Okay, there we go. Unemployment, yeah, job numbers coming out. I do have an alert set for that. So let's see. Tomorrow at 8:30. Excuse me, not 7:30. I misread the chart here. Tomorrow at 8:30. So maybe I'll be on just to see what happens there. But in anticipation for it, if it explodes down, there's a chance it could slice through my existing order here at the 250. There's a chance for it, but I kind of like it as well, to just leave it. I also maybe want to take a chance at the 575 again if I were to just leave an order there and fade it down. Um, that would be a little bit aggressive, but I mean, take a shot at it since I'm talking about it. I don't have anything else. So this is a little bit on the aggressive side. I see. Okay. So I can't enter it right now, I think, because the market is closed at the moment. That's okay. So I think I'll probably enter that later. I'm maybe taking a look at playing this zone back down because, well, we'll see. We'll see what the momentum looks like. If the price comes up back over here, we'll see what the momentum looks like. Let me put a alert. Right around, I guess, the 50. The 50 is good because I already have an alert for the even 500. So if it jumps past that and nears this zone, we'll see what happens. Other than that, it's just a waiting game. So we'll see what happens tomorrow.